Hello, I'm Shane, and I'm here to introduce you to the 4 new modes of Prancercise in Prancercise 2, the new farm animals. I've got my ankle weights on, and I've got my music ready. Let's stop glazing and do some grazing, Grazercise. Pick up the pace with the Prancercise goat. Great for a showboat. Next up, Prancercise chicken. Don't get stuck in a rut. Do the Prancercise strut. The next exercise, we'll take off our ankle weights, put them on our wrists. Because you know that no trip to the farm is complete without, you guessed it, the elephants. Now I'll show you how to Prancercise like an elephant, otherwise known as the Ellercise. It's better to be kicking down the halls than between your legs and to your balls. Well, those are 4 of the new modes of Prancercise. If you enjoy moving like an awkward animal and need help figuring out how, come visit my website. I've got videos on how to move like a duck, a giraffe, moray eel, and even a duck.
What are you doing? You're doing